This is just going to be a quick video on some easy maintenance you can do in your own car whilst during the lockdown to try and prevent any breakdowns. The cars I'm going to be using is going to be Audi TT and a Volvo. Tyre pressures on an Audi TT and a lot of cars can be found inside your fuel flap, just written inside there, and a lot of other cars, like on this Volvo, they're found inside your door slam. So rather easy to keep on top of your tyre pressures. Tyre tread depths. All tyres have wear indicators on them. So these little ridges here. You just run your hand down on the inside of your tyre, you don't even have to look. And you can feel when it's going to get down to the wear indicators, which is 1.6mm, which is the legal limit. Right, let's pull the bonnet. Pull the lever. We'll catch under here, lift it up. He's got gas struts, so I don't need to use a bonnet steer. Right, everything you need to check is normally a colour on the lid. Brake fluid, just there, yellow. Check the level. You just look through the bottle the best you can. If you can't see very well, put a torch up to it. You'll be able to see the level a lot better. It's also a good indicator of when your brake pads are getting low. When it gets down towards a minimum, normally your brake pads are getting quite low, so you get them checked. Coolant level, again, opaque, see-through bottle with a minimum level down there somewhere. There it is. Oil filler, nice little oil sign on the top, yellow. Dipstick. Right, so a dipstick. To check for that, get yourself a little rag, make sure you're on level ground, the engine's been off for about 5 minutes, and just wipe the excess oil off. That's your maximum, that's your minimum. Back in, pull it out. My oil is just above the maximum, so that'll be fine. Top it off in there with the relevant oil. Google it, you'll easily find out what the oil is, and we'll have a quick look at the Volvo, which should be along the same lines. Bonnet pull down here again. Another one with convenient gas struts. On this one, brake fluid reservoir, minimum, maximum. Coolant, again, minimum, maximum. Green cap on this one, it's got a picture of a expansion tank on the top. Power steering fluid, again, minimum and a maximum. It's on the inside there. Make sure you get the right fluid for that. Screen wash, blue cap. And on this one, dipstick is red. Hopefully this will keep you going until you can get your cars regularly serviced by us again. Any questions, feel free to ask. Thank you.